last 3-year reference period, the price of petrol and diesel has actually come down. And the BJP states, which have, I will give you the answer, have the patience to listen to it. Have the patience to listen to it. We have brought down the price of petrol and diesel because the Prime Minister reduced central excise on 2 occasions, November 21 and May 22. Whereas the Congress-ruled states, have been increasing their VAT. They've also been increasing milk prices. So let us have a serious discussion, and whenever you are in a meet for a serious discussion, I will sit for you. Now we come to prices in the neighborhood. Prices in the neighborhood are at least 15 to 20 to 25% higher than in India. Equally, prices in Western Europe and the United States are much higher than in India. It's only in India that prices have come down. Now we come to what is our overall strategy. Overall strategy is to increase domestic exploration and production, but also to increase our clean energy. When Mr. Modi assumed responsibility, the biofuel blending at the center, which was aimed at 5% for 10 states and union territories, I was part of that effort, only came down to 1.4% total. We had a target of 10% biofuel blending till 2022. November, we did it 5 months in advance. We had a target of 20% biofuel blending for up to 2030. We have done it 6 years in advance. We have already achieved 20% blending, 19.6% in the last 1 month. Now I come to some very interesting points raised. A CSR issue has been raised by my colleague from the Samajwadi Party. I'm so happy he's raised it. They come to me and I tell them, CSR, according to the law, is an expenditure on corporate social responsibility which has to be incurred by the companies out of the 2% of profits that they make, and there is a threshold for that. So it's a very interesting situation. The honorable members come to me and tell me कि CSR दिलवा दीजिए, then they sit in the house and say मतभेद नहीं होना चाहिए, differentiation नहीं होना चाहिए. I now have an answer to give them. Since you don't want any differentiation, you don't want us to reply, please deal with the companies directly. That is my answer to you. You cannot have it both ways. Come to me in my chamber and say, karwa dijiye, and then you turn around in the house and say, differentiation here. मेरा आपको तब भी आंसर यही होता है, अभी भी यही है. कंपनीज डिसीजन लेती है, कंपनी का बोर्ड डिसीजन लेता है, क्योंकि ये कंपनी के प्रॉफिट से आता है. So let's not play these little games with each other. Several things have been said about our federal structure. Madam, one of the honorable members from Tamil Nadu has raised a very important point. He raised a point about environmental damage. He also said that, a letter had been written by the Honorable Chief Minister. I have seen some reference to that, and I would like to point out the following. That when a block is offered as an offshore deep water block in the country's territorial waters, which is outside the jurisdiction of the state government, it's a very large area, sometimes 10,000 square kilometers. Very large area. Now, when you ultimately go to prospect there, when you go to do the drilling, it's in a very small area. And wherever the drilling takes place, permissions will have to be sought. And the permission granting authority is the state government. And I've had a few examples myself. The honorable member from Trinamool Congress spoke, and she referred to one such case. I want to share with you my experience of what happened in the Ashok Nagar discovery in West Bengal. What happened is that the ONGC had incurred a expenditure of about 1,000 crores, and I think they had dug something like 99 wells, and the matter came up in Parliament, and ultimately, I'm very happy that on 24th February 2025, this permission has been given by the West Bengal government. I have listened for 2 hours. I have listened for 2 hours to the debate, and I think I owe it to my colleagues to give them an answer to what they have said. Insofar as what an honourable member, I am not yielding. I have to give a reply, and I am winding up very quickly. on the issue of Madam, I am seeking your understanding. I know how to respond to these things, but I will choose to confine myself here. I will respond to the honourable member separately later. But the point here is our overall strategy is very clear. We need availability, affordability, and sustainability. Number two, we will also go down the sustainability not only in biofuels, compressed biogas, green hydrogen, and we are making massive progress in all these areas, including newer technologies, including encouraging startups. So I think we have a holistic approach in all that. I want to once again thank all the honourable members for participating in the debate. I now commend that the bill be adopted by this House.
विधेयक पर विचार किए जाने हेतु प्रस्ताव। प्रश्न यह है कि विधेयक पर विचार किया जाए। जो सदस्य इसके पक्ष में हैं वे हाँ कहें, जो सदस्य विरोध में हैं वो ना कहें। मेरे विचार में निर्णय हाँ वालों के पक्ष में हुआ, हाँ वालों के पक्ष में हुआ। विधेयक पर विचार करने हेतु प्रस्ताव को स्वीकृत किया गया। अब सभा विधेयक पर खंडवार विचार करेगी। माननीय मंत्री जी, माननीय मंत्री जी, माननीय मंत्री जी।
Yes, I recommend that it be taken up for approval. Clause 1.
संशोधित स्वीकृत करना है। प्रश्न यह है कि माननीय मंत्री जी द्वारा प्रस्तुत